Hello everyone, we will learn today about a new topic called appendicectomy, right? So, for that, an introduction, it is a vestigial organ, surgical importance, propen- propensity or inflammation. Okay, अगर वो इरिटेट हो रहा है मतलब उसकी वजह से कुछ इन्फ्लामेशन हो रहा है, इन्फेक्शन हुआ है, देन देर इज़ अ सर्जिकल रिमूवर, मतलब देर आर चांसेस कि सर्जिकल रिमूवर हम करें, राइट. मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट कॉज ऑफ acute abdomen in young adults. Appendicectomy is the most common surgery performed worldwide. It is very common, right? Carl McBurney described the clinical manifestation, the point of maximum tenderness in the right iliac fossa. ठीक है. अब जब हम अपेंडिसेक्टॉमी करने की होती है उस वक्त हम जो इंसिशन लगाते हैं दैट इज कॉल्ड एज मैकबर्नी इंसिशन. इट इज़ अ नेम सजेस्ट फ्रॉम द साइंटिस्ट हु सजेस्ट दिस. Okay, or and the tenderness which feel at the more space, it is called as right iliac. मतलब in the right iliac fossa there is a mainly tenderness is feel the patient having pain in right iliac fossa. Okay, that there may having pain in right iliac fossa. Okay, recognition as a clinical entity, recognize first नहीं, recognized perforating inflammation of the vermiform appendix. Okay, now the anatomy present only in humans at birth. वो humans में देखने को मिलता है at birth, short or broad at its junction with the cecum. There is no function of the appendix, right? Typical tubular structure produced by 2 years of the age results from differential growth of cecum. Position constant at the confusing of the three tinea coil of cecum. Okay, there is a three tinea coil in the cecum. If I'm in drawing, I'm showing it. If this is ascending and this is a cecum, right, and this is the ileum, right. In this there is a three tubular structure, not tubular, three tinea coil. Okay, और इधर से हम एक देखेंगे तो इधर हमें अपेंडिक्स देखने को मिलेगा. ओके, दिस शुड बी रिमूव. ओके, now the mesoappendix arises from the lower surface of the mesenteric of terminal ileum. Appendicular artery, branch of ileocholic artery and artery. Okay, 4 to 6 lymphatic channels, transverse mesoappendix, ileocecal, ileocacal, LNS. The three tinea coil converge at the junction of the cecum with the appendix and can be useful landmark to identify the appendix. Okay, इधर ही हमें एक आइडेंटिफिकेशन मिल जाता है. ठीक है, द अपेंडिक्स कैन वेरी इन लेंथ फ्रॉम greater than 1 centimeter to less than 30 centimeter. Most appendix are 6 to 9 centimeter long.